Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I achieve these juicy two-strand twists using the rubber band method. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to show you guys the products that I mix together to keep my hair moisturized while it's in these twists. The foundation of this mixture is going to be a hair butter because I feel like hair butters make my hair stay soft and moisturized for a long period of time. Then you can add whatever oil you want, and here I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. Next, I'm adding this Miracle Repair leave-in conditioner. This part is optional, but I'm adding Soft and Free Curl Activator Lotion just because it's always responded really well with my hair. Last thing we're going to add is some jojoba oil, because you know I have to make sure we're oiled up, make sure the moisture is locked in, and that is it. After you're done that, you just mix up this mixture until you get a consistency that's kind of like the butter. Mixing your products together really cuts down on styling time because you don't have to sit there and put 5 different products in your hair every single time that you have a different strand. And this combination just makes sure my hair is locked in with the moisture, and it just makes your hair feel super soft. So boom, let's get into the nitty gritty. This is my hair to start with. It's already sectioned out because I had a failed style attempt before that didn't work out. But I'm just going to revamp it and use these parts because it's going to take way too long to repart my hair. And I'm just going to start with this. So little disclaimer, y'all know I am not Miss Parting Queen. That is not my claim to fame. My parts do get cleaner towards the front, but you know, just for the purposes of being lazy and it's still going to look good, my parts in the back are not going to be super straight. So this is an example of why I recommend and why I swear by the rubber band method for beginners, because I wanted to start out with doing this without the rubber band method just to see if I can get the top of my hair to be neat. But as you can see, like no matter how tight I tried to twist it, the top of it just didn't look super neat. And not only that, I know if I'm going to the gym or doing anything that makes me sweat out my hair or anything, this hairstyle is not going to last long because the top of my hair is already puffy. So I tried with these 3 to see if I can do it, but then after this I quickly realized like, nah, I'm going to need to use some rubber bands. So you can see how much neater my roots already look just by adding the rubber band. And this is just going to last so much longer. So from here we're going to slow it down and show you how to actually do it. Just going to detangle the hair as much as possible. Mind you, this is on stretched hair that I have already. I'll have another video on how I stretch my hair. But to me it's just the easiest and it gives me some length that I already don't have. So I need all the length I can get. Here you're gonna watch me struggle to part my hair. I don't really care if it's super straight or whatever, as long as the part is clean, then I'm satisfied. So from here I'm gonna add some hair butter, moisturize it all the way to the root, and then add the rubber band. So from here you just twist your hair down as you regularly would. Make sure that the rubber band is all the way secure as far as you can by like pulling your hair. And at the bottom you're going to twist your ends just to make sure they're sealed and secure. So I'm not going to rap to y'all because I'm pretty sure you get the gist. So right now I'm just going to speed up this footage and you can see how I achieve the rest of this look. we are at the halfway point. This is what the back of my hair is looking like, and we just gonna keep it rolling. I also want to say shout out to this detangler brush because it is life, but that is another conversation for another day. So the only thing I do differently for the front of my hair is that I add edge control wax to it to keep my edges laid down and make sure that it doesn't come up, because I do not want to have to lay my edges every day. So if I can get it to stay nice and neat in these rubber bands, then that'll save me so much time. And finally, she is done. Praise the Lord. These are my twists. This is about to be my go-to winter style to make sure my hair keeps the moisture in. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. There will be more from me, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.